morning to everyone. This is Shriya. I am studying 10th class English medium from ZPSS Gangupahat, Mandal and District Janga. Today we are going to know about how to find the values of non-conical and non-cylindrical shaped objects. These shapes are cylindrical shapes and these shapes are conical shapes. Now we observe many things in our surroundings, like this is a glass and this is a teacup. So, and this is also a shape, this is also called bucket in our daily life situations. Come to the glass, we observe this glass. Is this a cylindrical shaped object or a conical shaped object or anything? What is this? I have to compare with a cylinder. So this is a cylinder and this cylinder has one top and one base. So this is a circular base and this top also a circular shaped top. So these circular shape have two and these radius are equal. So now to come to the glass, we observe these glass have also having one top and one base, and these base is a circular base and top also a circular top. So but when we observe this top is bigger than the bottom. This is not a cylinder. And now I am comparing with cone to glass. So this cone having only one base but circular shaped bottom and top. This is not also a conical shaped object. So and also this teacup, we observe this teacup also having two bottom and top, and these bottom and top are not equal with radius. And also comparing with bucket, this having one base and top but having not equal radius. We have to know the mathematical name of this glass. Observe this model. This model is a cone. When I cut this model parallel to the base, we got two parts, and these two parts belongs to this bigger cone. So when we observe these parts, this is a cone, we know, but what is this? What is the shape it is? We know this yellow colored shape is not a cylindrical shape and not a conical shape. So what is the name? So in mathematics, we call it as a frustum of cone. It means this shape is from cone. So it is called as frustum of cone. The mathematical name of this glass is frustum of cone. So in our surroundings, we observed many frustum shaped objects. So now how to find the value of frustum shaped objects? Already we know. To find the value of frustum of cones, I prepared two cones with using iron sheet with same radius and height. So now I cut one cone with parallel to base, and I get, after I cut the cone into two pieces, I got three parts. One is larger cone and one is smaller cone and one is frustum. So to find the value of frustum of cone, I took full of rice in the larger cone. I removed smaller cone with full of rice. After removing, the remaining rice is filled in the frustum of cone. It fulfilled the frustum of cone. Now, value of frustum of cone is equal Volume of frustum of cone is equal volume of larger cone minus volume of smaller cone. 3. Volume of frustum of cone is equal volume of big cone minus volume of small cone. I take one larger cone having R1 radius, height H1, slant height L1. I take another cone and I cut into two pieces. We get one smaller cone and frustum of cone. This frustum of cone having R1 radius, H height, slant height L. And the smaller cone having radius R2, height H1 minus H and slant height L1 minus L. Let ABC is a triangle and DE parallel to BC, and now AOE triangle is parallel similar to triangle AFC. In similar triangles, corresponding sides ratio is equal. So H1 minus H by H1 is equal R2 by R1. By simplifying this equation, we get H1 is equal HR1 by R1 minus R2. Volume of frustum is equal volume of big cone minus volume of small cone. Now 1 by 3 pi R1 square H1 minus 1 by 3 pi R2 square into H1 minus H. Now 1 by 3 pi R1 square, I am substituting H1 value at the place of H1. We get HR1 by R1 minus R2 minus 1 by 3 pi R2 square into HR1 minus R1 by R1 minus R2 minus H. By simplifying this equation, we get 1 by 3 into pi into H into R1 cube minus R2 cube by R1 minus R2. The volume of frustum of cone is equal 1 by 3 into pi into H into R1 cube minus R2 cube by R1 minus R2. We can write as 1 by 3 into pi into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2 into height into pi. The volume of frustum of cone is equal 1 by 3 into pi into H into R1 cube minus R2 cube by R1 minus R2. We can write as 1 by 3 into pi into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2 into height. Now find the volume of glass of water. Now take the measurements of this glass. Now top face diameter is 8 centimeters, radius is 4 centimeters. Base diameter is 5 centimeters, radius is 2.5 centimeters. Now measuring the height. Height is 11.7 centimeters. Now volume of glass of water is equal volume of frustum. 1 by 3 pi into R1 cube minus R2 cube by R1 minus R2 into H. Now substitute the values. After simplifying, I got 395.29 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube is equal 1 ml. So 395.29 centimeter cube is equal 395.29 ml, approximately 395 ml. The glass of water is 395 ml. Now check and verify the glass of water. Accurately, I got 395 ml. Always, this practical method is not possible. That's why we are using this formula to find the values of frustum shaped objects. Volume of frustum is equal 1 by 3 into pi into H into R1 cube minus R2 cube by R1 minus R2. We can write as 1 by 3 into pi into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2 into h. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.